Hi guys, it's Leighanna back with another video. Today I'll be doing this nice green look. I already did my eyebrows, so I'm just going to be priming my eyelids with some concealer for my eyeshadow. Now I'm just setting the eyelids with some setting powder. First, I'm going to be using this orange color from my Morphe 35B palette. And you guys can use whatever orange color that you have. You don't have to specifically use what I'm using, but all the products will be listed in the description box below. Now using the white color from the same palette, I'm just going to be highlighting my brow bone. Now for the best part, I'm going to be using some concealer to cut the crease for that lovely green shadow. First, I'll be taking this lighter green color and packing it on the eyelid. Then I'll be using this darker green color for the outer lid to give it a more bolder, smoky effect. Now that the eyeshadow's all finished, we're going to be lining the eyes with liquid eyeliner. Now it's time to beat this face. First, I apply my foundation all over my face, and I'm just going to use a brush to blend it all in. While I wasn't looking, my dog ate half of my beauty blender. I'm just applying my concealer underneath my eyes with the half-eaten beauty blender. Guys, don't forget to blend because that's the most important part. Blend, blend, blend. Now using my contour palette, I'm going to be contouring my face. I'm going to be using the darkest shade. And guys, don't forget, all the products are going to be listed in the description box below. Now I'm just setting the under eyes with setting powder. Just brushing away all the excess under eye powder, and I'm going to start bronzing my face. Before I apply my lashes, I'm just going to be putting a coat of mascara on. Now we put the lashes on. Ta-da! Now I'm going to be using the same green eyeshadow that I used for the top lid to line my lower lash line. Now I'm just using a black eye pencil to line my waterline. Now I'm just going to be using this gold shadow to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. Now back for mascara for the bottom lashes, and guys, we're going to be using not one coat, but several coats, thick with 3 C's. Now I'm just using this powder to set everything in place. Now it's time for highlighter. We're going to be highlighting the highest points of our face. You know what they say, you better glow or go. Now for the lips, I'm going to start off by using some lip liner. Then we're going to be applying some lipstick on top of that bitch. Now for my absolute favorite part, I'm just going to be setting my face with some setting spray. And the final look. Ooh, child. Guys, please like, subscribe, and comment. And thank you for watching. See you next time.